Hey everyone, is your car's traction control acting weird? Are you seeing the check engine light along with traction or ABS warnings? If your scan tool pulled code P0856, traction control input signal malfunction, then this means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is getting an abnormal or missing signal from the traction control system. This can cause slipping wheels, poor acceleration, and even disable the traction system completely. But don't worry. In this video I'll explain what P0856 means, the symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where the key sensors are located so you can fix it fast. Let's get started. What is P0856? The P0856 trouble code is triggered when the PCM detects an invalid or high voltage signal from the traction control system. The traction control system is designed to prevent wheel slippage during acceleration, and when it malfunctions you might lose grip, stability, or even power to the wheels. Common symptoms of P0856, traction control, light on check engine light, cell, or ABS warning light, slipping wheels during acceleration, power loss in certain driving conditions, erratic or delayed throttle response. Now let's talk about the sensor locations so you can diagnose and fix this issue properly. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0856, you need to check these key components. Traction control switch, location, on the dashboard, center console, or steering column. Function, allows the driver to manually turn traction control on or off. Brake pedal position sensor, BPPS. Location, near the brake pedal assembly. Function, sends signals to the PCM when the brakes are applied, affecting traction control. Wheel speed sensors, WSS, location, mounted on each wheel hub, near brake rotors. Function, measures wheel speed and sends data to the ABS and traction control system. ABS control module, traction control module, location, near the brake master cylinder or in the engine bay. Function, controls ABS and traction functions by processing wheel speed data. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, location, engine bay, near the fuse box or firewall. Function, receives signals from traction components and adjusts throttle and braking response. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the traction control switch, wheel speed sensors, and the PCM. Function, transfers electrical signals to manage wheel slip. Common causes of P0856, faulty traction control switch. A malfunctioning switch can send incorrect signals to the PCM, damaged or disconnected wiring. Corroded or broken wires between the traction control system and PCM. Defective brake pedal position sensor. Incorrect brake input signals can affect traction control. Bad wheel speed sensors. A failing wheel sensor can disrupt traction control functions. Faulty ABS control module. The traction system relies on ABS, and a bad module can trigger this code. Software or PCM issues. Outdated software or PCM errors can cause incorrect traction control readings. How to fix P0856. Step 1. Check the traction control switch. Press it and see if the traction light responds. If not, test the switch with a multimeter. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, loose, or corroded wires near the switch and PCM. Step 3. Test the brake pedal position sensor. Ensure it's sending the correct signals when braking. Step 4. Check wheel speed sensors. Use a scan tool to read live data and see if all 4 sensors are working properly. Step 5. Inspect the ABS module. A faulty ABS module can disable traction control. Scan for ABS-related codes. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the system and test drive to see if the problem is resolved. Final words. The P0856 trouble code is all about traction control system malfunctions, which can affect acceleration and vehicle stability. But with a simple sensor check, wiring inspection, and system reset, you can fix it before it becomes a major issue. Watch these related videos next. P0578, Cruise Control Input Circuit High. P0579, Cruise Control Input Circuit Low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.